Welcome to ATS Electrolube. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper use and assembly of the Ultimate Series. Today, we are using the Ultimate 500cc unit. However, these instructions apply to all Ultimate Series lubrication products. First, remove the weather cap. Now, remove the protective cover counterclockwise. Use a small screwdriver to switch the correct dip switch to your operation needs. Now we are going to demonstrate how to use the dip switch panel. These switches are your choices for your specific lubrication needs. Take the adapter plug from both the battery pack and the circuit board and attach them together. You will see the LED lights flash as they go through a startup cycle. This cycle means that the unit is in operation. Wait 10 seconds for the product to initiate and to start dispensing. Screw back the protective cover clockwise. And then, take your weather cap and place it over the protective cover. You are now ready for a stress-free, automated lubrication set for your specific needs.